Hi, I'm Mike Horibe from Dominguez Rancho Adobe, and I'm going to demonstrate to you today the art of composting. Why composting? Because we're using an organic way of replenishing the earth so that we can have beautiful plants and help our world. 30% of our items in the refrigerator, believe it or not, we throw away. So we're going to use that, and it's going to benefit our plants in the garden. You're going to have healthier plants, you're going to be giving organic material to your plants, and you're going to help the immune system of those plants, as well as not having to pay for it, not having to go to the store and spending a lot of money on things that you have at home. So let's get started. First of all, what you need in a good compost pile is your greens. And these greens can be leaves or grass. I just mowed my lawn last night, and these are fresh lawn clippings. You also need the carbon, which are browns. Brown leaves, brown grass, anything that's brown that's dried up, that's what the microorganisms use to eat. And of course, from our kitchen, various vegetables and fruits. So here's what we want to do. This is the existing pile, and when we put our elements in, we want to do it lasagna style. We want to do it in stages or stacks. So there's your greens. There's your browns, your carbon. And then, of course, your vegetables. Now, I don't measure. Some people measure, but when you do it for a while, then it just becomes a common occurrence. And you just cover it. If you do it in your backyard, you want to cover it about a foot or so, because you don't want any vermin, mice, things like that, okay? Plus, when you cover it, you're going to capture the heat, because that's what really does the decomposition, is the heat. And there's 3 stages of heat that help the organisms. If you don't have this set up at your house, if you have an apartment or a patio, you can go to the hardware store and purchase a plastic container and drill holes all over the container and on the bottom using a 1/4 inch bit. And you use the same method, the lasagna method I call. Put your elements in there once or twice a week, lock it, and roll it. And that's all you do. It takes 5 minutes, and you're on your way. Now, stage 4 is the stage now where you want to sift it. Someone asked me, how do you know it's ready? Well, you can tell by the texture. Use your home trowel. You sift it using another 1/4 inch screen. Get all those big parts to the top. Throw the larger parts in the stage 1, and the finished element is what we call black gold, the compost. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and it's sustainable. Thank you so much.